Good health is the greatest wealth of life. Without it, no blessing, no comfort, and no luxury in this world can bring true peace. A healthy body is the guarantee of a happy and successful life. But in today's fast-paced lifestyle, irregular routines, stress, and environmental pollution have trapped human beings in many physical and mental problems. Among them, one of the most common yet painful conditions is headache. Most people take a headache lightly, but the one suffering from it knows how unbearable even a few minutes can become. During a headache, a person cannot work, think, read, or even hold a proper conversation. It feels as if a heavy weight is placed on the head or the nerves are being pulled tight. At such a time, if there is a simple home remedy that can bring relief within minutes without the need for medicine, it is truly a blessing. There are many types of headaches. Sometimes they occur due to mental stress and fatigue. Sometimes they take the form of migraine. Sometimes sinus or flu create pressure in the forehead and nasal bone, while weak eyesight or dental problems can also trigger them. Loud noise, strong perfumes, weather changes, lack of sleep, dehydration, skipping meals, heavy foods, or overuse of mobile and computer are also common causes of headaches. Here is a proven home remedy. Take 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, wash them well, and crush them finely. Add the juice of 1 medium lemon, a pinch of salt, and half a glass of cold water. Mix it well, and drink it in one go. Within minutes, you will feel a cooling effect in your head. The heaviness in your eyes and forehead will fade, and the headache will slowly disappear. This works because mint contains menthol, a natural compound that calms the nerves and improves blood circulation. Lemon boosts energy and reduces headache caused by indigestion or flu. Salt restores the body's mineral balance and helps fight fatigue, while cold water instantly refreshes the brain. Together, these 4 simple ingredients provide quick relief. If mint or lemon is not available, there are many other home remedies that can ease a headache. For example, placing a cold compress on the forehead, gently massaging the temples, sitting in fresh air and taking deep breaths, drinking ginger tea, closing your eyes for rest, having green tea or coffee, or mixing ground clove and cinnamon in warm water or milk. These remedies are inexpensive and can be prepared with items available in every household. For long-term prevention, changing daily habits is just as important as using quick home remedies. Drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, sleeping on time, reducing screen time, eating a balanced diet, doing light exercise or walking, and practicing relaxation through prayer or meditation can significantly reduce the chances of headaches. Our elders also relied on such natural remedies instead of medicine. They used to say that mint and lemon not only quench thirst, but also unlock the tension in the brain. Today's modern scientific research confirms the same, that these ingredients contain natural compounds that calm the mind and relieve headaches quickly. Although headaches are common, they can deeply affect performance and quality of life. Instead of rushing to pills, adopting natural and safe home remedies can be far more effective. This mint and lemon remedy is simple, cheap, and available in almost every kitchen. Its ability to relieve headache in just a few minutes makes it worth trying. So, take care of your health, drink enough water, get proper rest, and keep your mind stress-free. This way, not only can you prevent headaches, but you can also live a lighter, more joyful life. And finally, if you found this information useful and you want more natural remedies and helpful tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support is a big encouragement for us to keep bringing more valuable content for you.